Hello and welcome back to Mr. Hackathon Automates Everything. I'm Mr. Hackathon, and today I will be making an automation with Google Sheets, Zapier, and Twitter. So let's get started. If you watched any of the previous videos, you will know a little bit about Zapier and what it does. Today we will be using Zapier to automate mentions. So anytime I'm mentioned on Twitter, I want to save it to a Google Sheet. So we will select Twitter first. We'll see if we can do this. And then we want to select Google Sheets. When let's change it actually, because I'm not sure what search and geo mention is, and I'm not sure search mention is exactly what I want, but let's go for user tweet. And we're going to save all these user tweets to, we want to create a new spreadsheet row. Create a spreadsheet row. So what I have is my Google Sheets here. And actually I need to create a new sheet. So you need to go in Google Sheets and create a new sheet. And when the main key about when you're doing an automation to Google Sheets, you need to have your headers. So I am going to do, what am I going to name it? Zapier, Twitter, G Sheets, user. And I'm not quite sure what headers I need yet. So let's click try it. And I already have my Twitter account connected. And I have to choose a username of somebody. So someone that mentioned me recently at the builder JR. So we go back. The builder JR. I think that's how the builder JR. And we're going to test this. So we can see anytime his tweet, and it's testing right now to see if we can pick up his tweet. And we're going to click continue. Now it's going to take us to the Google Sheets. And we want to create a spreadsheet row. And we're going to choose account, and this account. And what we're going to do next is create an action. We want to, and the worksheet is the one we just created. Oh, I don't think it's picking up the worksheet. So let's say user tweet and maybe time / date. So I'm not quite sure what information we're going to be able to obtain when a user tweets, but we'll find out in a minute. So we're going to refresh the fields. And it didn't pick up the worksheet, I believe, because I didn't have any headers. So we're just going to refresh that. We're going to open this again. And now it picks up sheet 1. And all it's able to pick up from the tweet is the username, and that connects to this, and the text of the tweet. So that's all we're able to get from this particular API on, or this particular API call on Twitter. And each API has different restrictions on the information you can retrieve from it. So we're going to test and continue. And it says a spreadsheet row was sent to Google Sheets just now. So we can see right here that this, the username, and we can see that this was what he tweeted last. And so we're going to turn on Zap. I don't think we'll be able to turn it on quite yet because on a free account, you have a maximum of 5 Zaps that you can have open, or you can have active at one time. And I currently have 5 active, so I have to turn one off. I'm going to turn one off that I had in the last tutorial. So we go back to Zaps and we turn this off. And actually, I'm going to delete this. Yes, move to trash. And we want to turn on Zap now. So it's on, and anytime my friend here tweets, we will get it to the spreadsheet. So I think he's probably sleeping now, but wrong tabs. But we can see here, using test data of his last tweet, that it saves his username and it saves his tweet. So that's a tutorial on how to create a Zap. How to create a Zap that saves a user tweet to G Sheets.